What is a VLAN and how does it work in industrial networks? Imagine being able to organize your entire factory's network like a well-structured city, where each neighborhood has its own rules and boundaries. That's essentially what a virtual local area network, or VLAN, does for industrial networks. It lets you split a single physical network into multiple logical segments. This means devices can communicate as if they are on separate networks, even though they share the same physical wiring. It's a smart way to keep things tidy and secure. Industrial environments, VLANs are often used on managed Ethernet switches. These switches support thousands of VLAN IDs, which are unique numbers that identify each virtual network. When a device sends data, the switch tags the data frame with the VLAN ID according to a standard called IEEE 800. To 1Q, this tag tells the switch where to send the data. The switch then forwards the data only to devices within the same VLAN, creating separate broadcast domains. This setup prevents unnecessary traffic from clogging up the network and isolates faults or security breaches. There are different ways to set up VLANs in an industrial setting. One common method is port-based VLANs. Here, each switch port is assigned to a specific VLAN. Devices connected to that port will only communicate within that VLAN. This is simple and works well for fixed equipment like programmable logic controllers or human-machine interfaces. Another approach is function-based VLANs. Devices that perform similar functions or belong to the same production line are grouped together, no matter where they are physically located. For example, all devices related to a specific control system might share a VLAN. Application-based VLANs are also used to separate different systems like factory automation, building controls, or process control systems. This helps keep operations running smoothly and securely. Using VLANs offers several benefits. They limit broadcast traffic to only relevant devices, which improves network performance. They also boost security by isolating critical control systems from office networks, preventing unauthorized access. Managing VLANs is easier because you can group devices logically without rewiring the entire network. Plus, VLANs support quality of service, which means you can prioritize important data, ensuring real-time communication for Industry 4.0 applications. When implementing VLANs, careful planning is key. You need to ensure all devices support VLAN tagging and are compatible with your network protocols. Proper documentation and automation tools help manage VLAN configurations as your network grows. In smart factories and Industry 4.0, VLANs are vital for connecting operational technology and information technology systems. They provide the flexibility, security, and efficiency needed to keep modern industrial networks running smoothly and adapt to changing needs.